on. Today is just going to be a little trading video. I wanted to explain a concept called level 2. So now everything I say here is just educational purposes only. I do have a trade on here, but doesn't mean you should really copy me because I could just lose money on this. And I'm more of a let the algos do it instead of being very discretionary here. So just please keep that in mind. But I just want to provide some educational content, essentially. That's all I really want to do. Now, I'm in a trade, right? And sort of the reason I got in this trade was because I was looking at the level 2, and you see there's this sort of big wall here blocking the price from going down. And then this looks pretty thin here. So this is called the level 2. It's the order book depth. And sort of each level is, here we've got people who want to sell. And so we can see there's less sellers on this side, and there are sort of more buyers here, right? So this is sort of my reasoning behind things. And so I'm just kind of got in this trade here, right? And I'm going to get out if this sort of evens up, if it sort of becomes a bit more symmetrical, or this wall just completely really disappears. Essentially, that's what I'm going to be doing here. So, and a very, very small size, 70, because I just, haven't really tested things or anything like that. But I wanted this just to be for education. And when you trade, you sort of want to have like in your mind, concrete values for when you get in and when you get out. And so so I have an idea of like, okay, when is my strategy valid? And when is it invalid, right? So it becomes sort of invalid when this wall here will disappear, or this one, or this one sort of rises up like that. So I just thought I might log on for a really quick stream. Nothing too controversial here. I mean, yeah, but I just want to make sure it's not. You don't take it as financial advice. So. The signal for me to get out is, if we have if the book starts, like it really starts, we start seeing a lot of sellers come in. So I'm also looking at the last trade. So that, so numbers go pretty quickly. So just have to, really, really look at it carefully because it could turn, it could turn very quickly. Maybe, yeah, so maybe I can... I want to put I want to make this smaller. And then can I just put last trades by... No, I can't. Cannot do it. Cannot be done. That's okay. Yeah. So, yeah, so I'm in this trade. I think this is going to be a pretty boring tutorial. It's just, sometimes you've just got to like watch the market, right? You've just got to stick in there, watch the market, see how things go. Yeah. Just watch it. Just watch it. So 26. Okay, so if you sell yeah, so it looks like we get heavier buys, I think. I think the buyer, yeah, see, we get these little ones, we get these little tiny ones selling, but the bigger numbers are the green, so they're buying. So it's telling me there's sort of more like buying pressure. This is kind of bro science, so just also like, I'm not giving financial advice, but sort of the educational thing here is like, this is another way of trading instead of looking at this stuff here, which I honestly believe can be like a little bit tricky to predict. Like, some people say, you got this trend line and you can draw like these fancy lines and like you've got the Fibonacci business and all that. I'm a little bit skeptical about it. I'm more of an order flow person here. So I'm looking at this, I'm looking at these numbers here. So these are quite small. This is the minimum trade size. So see, the green's a bit bigger. Yeah, I mean, it's quite quick actually. To be honest, I would use like an algo for this. I would definitely use an algo. And then also I need to think about fees, right? So, there's a little bit of but it should be okay. I just wanted to push through all that. See if, because that's quite a lot. But I do need to say that, yeah, because I think I marketed into this trade. So to sort of so I need this to, so let's assume that like and I think that it's like 5 basis points for a market in. So that's like $50, right? So I need, and then to get out on a market, I would need to, I need $100. So to break even, right? If you market in and out, you need it to move. You need Bitcoin to move $100. Now I'm making the assumption that Bitcoin is about 100,000. So that's so it's not actually, you know, $100. It's more like you know, slightly less than $100. But yeah, it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. It's good to have that assumption, I think. So we're just looking at it, and yeah. So sometimes it's just a bit of waiting. Hmm. So my computer's making a lot of noise, I think. It's just yeah, it's just like that's okay. It's okay. So this wall is still here. So price is still we got some buying coming in. Yeah, okay. That was did you see that big buy? It was like 0.4 bitcoins or something like that. So I'm just watching the last trades at the moment. Honestly, you probably, so I'm just kind of eyeballing it here. Yeah, some bigger buyers coming in. So you just kind of want to follow that. You should probably use something like Bookmap, because I'm just trying to, like, in my head memorize, like, yeah. So you got 14, yeah, 26, yep, big ones coming through. So it's pushed the price up a bit there. Yep. Cool. Yep. So still in the green. Yep. So you got about 0.2 of a Bitcoin. That was a big one. That's big. Oh, okay. So is it yeah, more green coming in. Now I think you also want to just be ready. So if you need to just get out of it real quick as well. But no evidence to suggest we should get out yet. Okay, so looks like there's more. It's skewing, like the last trades are sort of saying more buying power. Yeah, so that's good. So we'll keep buying. I'd love it to hit 75 there. That'd be great. Okay, cool. 75. Yep. Let's see. Will it get to 80? Yeah, so this is good. This is what we want. So our trade idea is like still valid. Yep. Come on. So it's, yep. Okay. Small amounts. In one cell. Okay, they're small. Those are bigger. Yep. So it's still going strong. It's got to be patient as well sometimes. Yeah. Yeah. Also, like, the thing I think about is, even though, you know, this is like 18 cents in profit, like, if you're sort of learning and starting out, I didn't want to put big size on because I just really didn't plan this out. I just saw something. I was like, you know what? I'm just going to risk a little bit of money on it. It's always better. I think it's always better to risk a small amount than paper trade as well. Yeah, but we're going to do this. We're going. Oh, okay. So these are coming in. Just got to be a bit careful here. Getting some selling coming through. Yeah, okay, the buys are still... Okay, that's fine. It's okay. Hmm. Okay, so is it turning? Yeah. Okay. Is there anyone in the chat? I'm happy to answer like questions about any of the level 2 stuff. Are we even streaming? Yes, we've been streaming for 11 minutes. Yes, things are looking good. Okay, it's probably a little bit of a boring stream, but it's okay. Sometimes you just gotta develop the skill of being patient. Now, sort of obviously shorter term, I think there are more cells. Like there's a big gap here, so it might push down a bit. But you've got this guy protecting it. Hmm. Okay, I think honestly, I think it's just gonna be me sitting in silence, just waiting. So maybe this is just meant to be a short stream. That's okay. That's all good. I think I just wanted to be like informative here. So you've got the level 2, and here you've got the buys, you've got the sells, people. Yes, okay, that's nice. You've got this huge wall. Yeah, that's a big wall. That's a big... Yeah, and I'm looking at the last trades. I'm just being... Yeah, and I'm looking at this. You've got this wall, these people protecting this side, and and my hypothesis is, it's just gonna, like, the buyers will just keep eating through this, right? Because it's pretty thin here. Like, it's pretty asymmetrical. Now, again, I just want to say this is like educational purposes only, and maybe it might give you like some sort of idea of how things would go. But yeah, please do your own research, and definitely the case that I will not be responsible for any losses incurred and stuff like that. So yeah, do your own due diligence, I guess. Okay, cool. I think that's probably all I wanted to say about that. I'm gonna continue just to sit here in the trade, and yeah, I guess I will see you in the next stream.